ka Food Safety and Standard Authority of India FSSAI lengba ka jingle ekites bala shim nuksa na kisau punriu teli ki shnong ki badon ha ka nongbah Shillong kalalap baka umbam umdi ha kisau pusau teli ki shnong kam dei satia ka shngain na ka banta ka jingkot jingkhya ya kane ka kai phot ka FSSAI kala penmi hadin ka jingle ekites ya ka bala lum nuksa da ka Sang Federation of Khasi Jaintia and Garo People FKJGP Nakisa pun riu teli ki shnong ka nongbah Shillong ha ka arpo artalik nailar baladem kata hadin ka jing opdiang ya ka jing ujor na ki nongshong shnong namar ka jing jakhlia jong ko ha ka jing le ekites lala batang ka shnong dem tring bat maule ki bayo ya ka umbam umdi ka shngain na ka banta ka kot ka khya katkum ka kai phot la sakhi ba ki bala lum nuksa na ki sau sau teli ki shnong ki dei ki badon ki coliform bat E. coli baduna ka pH value babun iron palat yopun bat ka bomlong ka shngain bandi Nakaliang ka FKJGP kapan pau baka jingsyam ya ka jingduna ka pH value hakini ki bala lum nong muna ki pentep bakini ki ki dei ki bajur ka asen barkat kum ka FSSAI standard ka umbam umdi ka dei bandon ya ka pH value hapdeng riu point san hadu pra point san ka bahapo riu point san ka dei ka balong asen nalor kata kalau ongru bawat la ka jingdon ka iron kalong ka bakong san ya ka kot ka khya henry ka jingdon palat pot kala ban lam syaki jingma kata kala ban penyo ya ka jingpang shini hemochromatosis pangpo pendap ler ka kpo bat jingpang sni do bat ka jingring stikloi lapen pauru bakane kala ban pensniu ya liver pancreas bat klong snam nakaliang presiden ka seng uba dondi ula ong bu menteri rang ba ka jela ula ya ro ya ka sinjam ka bala shim da ka FKJGP ka badei ka sin ka baningkong ban pha tes ya ka hakaleng ki shnong ha ka nongbah Shillong bat ula pen pauru ya ka jinglengo ban tip ba ka umbam umdi kamlong ka basngan bandi ban bam shu ula ong bana kaliang ka jongki kila dep ban le yala ka jong ka benta ban lum ya ki ka ban pha tes ha ka Food Safety Laboratory ka bala lab ya ka ne baro bar kumta ki dawa ban yo ya ka umbam umdi ka bakhon namar ki pai ba ki bayo ya ka na ka PHE ki da siu ya ka pisa nalor kata ula ong ru na kaliang menteri rang ba ka jela ula kular ban shimkhia ya ka ne ka jinglap jong ka seng halor ka jingbom chngan jong ka umbam umdi ka ba ki pai ba ki yo
that on the 22nd August 2023, the organization has, due to the complaints getting from different local residents around Shillong, so we have conducted this collection of the sample testing of the drinking water in around 46 locality. So it has been done as per the standard operating procedure guidelines by the Street Food Testing Laboratory commissioned government of Meghalaya. So actually today we have come and met the Chief Minister with this report summary on the status of the water sample collected on random sampling. So the finding is that out of these 46 numbers of locality that the sample has been testing has been conducted, so the report came out that only 2 out of 46 are safe for public drinking, but 44 are very unsafe. So the component that are there which these water tank which are unsafe, which these 44 numbers of public water tap around Shillong, the content of those materials is, one is the chemical, the unsafe of chemical possessed in this water tank, and there are some water tank which possessed with these bacteria which are very harmful for the consumption, and there are some tank also which there is a high content of irons in this water tank. So we have come and met the Honorable Chief Minister to ask him to kindly address this issue and give us assurance that our people, they really need good drinking water, because these are the basic amenities, basic amenities in life. So if the government cannot provide proper drinking water to our own people, I think it does not fit to govern also the state. So this is we have come and met him, and he also has appreciated us a lot that there is a history, so as to say that this kind of testing for drinking water supply have not been done yet, like by anybody. But I think we are the first organization that we have conducted this testing of the drinking water supply in different locality. And as a matter of concern, there are around 1,000 of water tank only within around Shillong, within Shillong town. So from the organization, we cannot do a random one testing for all these 1,000 plus water tank which are there or located in different locality. So, but our main concern is about out of only for these 46 numbers of water tank that has been conducted a test, the result is only 2 are safe but 44 are unsafe. So this is the main big concern of the organization. There's a saying when we as an NGOs, we are like a watchdog. If the government have done nothing, so we have to step in. That is what actually the duty is of the concerned department, to have a look on all these. But due to their silence, so the organization have to step in and take up these issues. Next course of action is not only if the government address, but this will be highlighted from today itself through each and every meeting that we are going to meet our people in the district level or in the in the circle level. So we'll highlight about these issues, that it is a right only to get a safe drinking water supply, because actually as per the water supply done from the Moklang to the household, direct household water supply, our people, they pay it also. It's not free of cost, they pay it. So when they pay, they need to be assured that whatever water supplied to their house, it should be a safety one. Actually, what we ask the government is to kindly assure us and kindly address this issue at the earliest as possible, so that our people will not suffer from this drinking water. So, and the assurance which he's giving us is that he will try to address this issue at earliest as possible. But what do we have from organization is that if the government cannot provide safe drinking water to the resident of the states, they are not fit to run the state. What he is saying, like he just gave us an assurance. He told that this is a matter of concern too for the government. It is really, surprise for him to find out. So he will instruct accordingly through the concerned department, PHE, that to do what is required. But in the whole, in the whole state, each and every district, they should conduct this sampling of water testing, so that you will make sure. Even from the organization also, we are going to appeal to all the district body of the organization all around the state, that they should try collecting the sample and go for testing, so that it will really help for each and every locality who reside there to know whether their water which they are drinking is safety or not for them. From different locality, not only from Shillong but other districts also, they told us that whatever drinking water that has been supplied to them through sometime PHE department or municipal, or it might be from the local source also, they find so many things, like it's muddy sometimes, which is very much doubt in them to that if we drink this water, it'll be it is safe or not. So for us, if we receive the complaint, the only options that we have is we have to collect those water and give it for testing, because we just cannot allege allege to the department or to the government also. But as of now, all the findings that is here, so that's why we have presented it and before the Honorable Chief Minister. So let him do his duty.